More than 10 years after the first release of the PlayStation Vita, Sony unveiled Project Q, which eventually evolved into the PlayStation Portal. This device is not a replacement for the PS Vita or PSP, but a remote play accessory for the PS5. It has an LCD and uses the DualSense controller's motion sensors to create a realistic gaming experience. Let's dive into a detailed review of PlayStation Portal. What is the PlayStation Portal? Previously known as Project Q, Sony's PlayStation Portal is a significant step forward for online play. Connecting to the PlayStation 5 via a solid and fast Wi-Fi connection, this unique gadget makes the switch from a traditional to a remote gaming setup a breeze. This remarkable accomplishment is enabled by Sony's long-standing remote play function, which is compatible with various devices, including game consoles and tablets, laptops, cell phones, and desktop PCs. The PlayStation Portal emerges as the best option for mobile PlayStation gamers, providing a specialized environment for portable play. The success of remote play depends on an internet connection speed of at least 5 Mbps, a requirement set by Sony, whether you're playing on the same network as your console or not. However, a speedy 15 megabyte per second connection is recommended by PlayStation for the best gaming experience. The PlayStation Portal may look less streamlined than other handheld devices on the market, but this is on purpose, as the design was developed to fit the device's unique features. By sandwiching a high-resolution screen between the DualSense controllers of a standard PlayStation 5, it effectively upgrades the gaming experience. This concept was created to bring the classic PlayStation experience to a portable device without sacrificing playability, portability, or visual quality. The PlayStation Portal particularly appeals to PS5 owners who live in busy families where finding free TV time might be difficult, or to keen travelers with access to stable internet connections while on the road. This technology saves the day, allowing players to immerse themselves in their games whenever and whenever they like. Sony's PlayStation Portal is another example of the company's dedication to innovation in the gaming industry. It brings the PlayStation experience to a whole new level by making it genuinely portable. The PlayStation Portal's best and worst features. The PlayStation 5 DualSense controller, with its 2 colors representing different functions, allows for more immersive gaming. The most prominent new features were the controller's haptic feedback and adjustable triggers for compatible games. Motion sensors and the Create button, an essential addition in today's content-driven society, were 2 more useful features. Key characteristics of the famous controller will be carried over to the PlayStation Portal. This includes the responsive fluctuation in tension players feel thanks to the controller's 2 actuators. In addition to a more natural fit in your hand, the DualSense's ergonomic improvements remain. The general feel of a handheld device is crucial. The Portal's analog sticks are comfortable to hold and don't strain the player's wrists unnecessarily because of the controller's lightweight construction. The new product's crisp 8-inch LCD screen, which can display 1080p at 60 frames per second, is another selling factor. Users won't have to compromise on the quality of their HD images. The remote player includes a USB-C port and perfectly connects with the PS5 console and Portal. There are, however, a few fundamental drawbacks to the PlayStation Portal. The device's inability to stream games via PlayStation Plus Premium's cloud service is the biggest and most puzzling issue. The PS5 must be loaded with every game. Because the Portal doesn't have its own local Wi-Fi connection or storage, no one else can access the user's PlayStation while it's being used to operate the Portal. The substitution of Bluetooth with Sony's PlayStation Link is another peculiar inclusion, or rather, absence. The addition of PlayStation Link requires the usage of in-house wireless audio alternatives, despite the Portal's 3.5mm audio connector for wired audio. In particular, the $149.99 Pulse Elite wireless headset and the $199.99 Pulse Explore wireless earbuds were announced independently of the PlayStation Portal. These audio devices use planar magnetic drivers to produce robust sound with zero loss and minimal latency. There is a noise filter built into both PlayStation Link audio devices. There are two microphones in the Pulse Explorer earphones, and the boom mic on the Pulse Elite headset may be retracted when not in use. These items are designed to simplify switching between devices by including a USB adapter. While a significant selling point of many handheld gaming solutions, wireless headphones are prohibitively expensive for portable users who wish to experience true auditory immersion or remain undetected by others. Is Sony's PlayStation Portal worth the money? Many have pointed out that the PlayStation Portal's price tag of $199.99 is comparable to that of a Nintendo Switch Lite with a DualSense Edge wireless controller. Some players prefer the Switch Lite to the Steam Deck due to its offline and Bluetooth gaming features. However, each of these gadgets has a unique function. Unlike the Portal, an expensive add-on to an already pricey console, the Switch Lite may be used independently. The Portal is a good deal for gamers who can afford it, especially those who have hectic schedules and require multiple places to play. Despite possible immersion and practical limitations, most PS5 users may opt for remote play with existing devices. Virtual reality, VR, games, and cloud streaming with PlayStation Plus Premium would be great additions to the PlayStation Portal. In contrast to the Wii U gamepad, which can withstand connectivity difficulties without affecting gameplay, the PlayStation Vita's lack of Bluetooth for improved audio through PlayStation Link feels like an error. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any of our videos.